guys, it's Libby, and today we are going to be doing a American Eagle haul video. I just love sitting down and filming videos, and sometimes it's just like a lot because you always have to get the camera out and the lighting out and everything, but like I just love it. It makes me really happy. So anyway, today we are going to be doing a American Eagle unboxing haul, and basically American Eagle has one really great thing, and that is their jeans. Like, I love their jeans. I only buy my jeans from them. Like, occasionally I'll get them from somewhere else, but like really it's American Eagle. They had $20 on their jeans on clearance basically, and so it's like, okay, time to stock up. And also everything on their clearance was like $20 or less, so it's like, okay, I think it is time for a haul. And you know, I love a good haul, and I know you guys love a good haul, so let's just go ahead and do my first impression unboxing and all that right now. But if you guys like, you know, watching this video and you like me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon notification button if you want to get notified every time I post, and hit the like button if you like this video throughout. Like, guys, we have hit 5,500 subscribers, which is a huge deal to me. So if you guys are watching my videos and supporting me, like, just thank you. You guys mean like so much to me, you don't even know. But okay, I talk a lot. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. Key knife from day one, we know. Got some air puffs, assuming they're a seat. Okay, so there's a lot of accessories in here. So I want to do the accessories last, so we can go ahead and get like straight into the jeans part of it. But there's like some cute rompers and stuff I ordered also. So it looks like we have one pair of jeans in here. Open these up. I'm hoping that I'm going to love these and I won't have to return them, but my plan is if I don't like something, just go ahead and return it and get my money back. So these are what these look like. Okay, so I don't know if I love how this feels. I immediately felt it. I was like, I love American Eagle jeans. So I don't know, because these feel kind of like, what's the word, like thick? A little thick, she thick, he thick, we thick. But they feel a little thick, but we'll see. I get all my jeans too regular. I've always had from them. But these are the Super Stretch X to the 4th. Jeggings, true rise, super stretch. I just show you this tag. So that's what it is. They're originally $50 and I got them for $20, yeah, for $20. And American Eagle does do this thing when school starts, which they usually do like buy one get one half off or something, but still wouldn't have been cheap as $20. So let's go ahead and try these jeans on. And they look pretty good if I do say so myself. I also put on a normal shirt because I had a crop shirt on earlier and it just would have looked weird. But this is what they look like. They have the seam on them and it's normal. And I mean, they're actually pretty comfortable. I thought they might be too thick, but they're not bad in thickness, and they fit like at like a glove. Like, they are jeggings and I can tell. But here is my one complaint. I feel like they're kind of like right to the ankle, so I might actually would have liked to get these in a long. And I'm 5'6". I'm not very tall. I'm kind of, I feel like, average. And so I feel like I wish these didn't come like directly by the ankle, because I usually like to roll up my jeans. So, meh, I don't know how I feel about that. And these are what they look like. They are definitely like a dark blue wash. Almost kind of like grayish, blackish, but I definitely think they will fade over time, which is why I am good with the color of these jeans. And I think I can make these look very professional and dressed up with this color. Next, I already got another pair of jeans and I already knew, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these on too, so then we can get to the really fun things. Okay, so these are definitely like a little bit of a lighter wash and they're not as thick. So these are the Super Stretch jeggings and they are in a size 2. Ooh, and I like these. I think I can make these work because I wanted these for work, but they have like this little rip detailing, but I think I can make it work for work. Ah, that is so cute. And look, they have them on the pockets too. Okay, I kind of really like these. I hope this works out. This is a lighter wash than what I'm wearing right now, but I think it is really cute. On size 2 regular, I am 5'6", weigh 110 pounds. Put that in perspective. Okay, be back. Hold on. I'm actually kind of sad right now because, first of all, I think these jeans were like really cute when I was explaining them and everything, and I think they look pretty cute on. But I think I've realized I definitely need to get a long when I get jeans, first of all, and second of all, these feel so weird. They're like a itchy-ish material on the inside. You guys hear that? Sorry. Helicopter. Apologies. But okay, so the thing about these jeans are they're kind of itchy and tight. The feeling on the inside is like a scratchy feeling, and I really don't like those in my jeans. So let's go ahead and get our grab the next thing. This is a romper. Hopefully it's very cute. So basically what attracted me to this romper is like this marble-esque look. I really like when it looks marbly, and then also it had these little tassels, and then it has like the sleeve detailing. So this is very wrinkly obviously, but I thought this would be either like really cute or really something I wouldn't want to wear. And I will leave a link to all of this if it's still available in the description bar down below. But this is what it looks like. Okay, give me 1 second and I'll go try it on. So I think I'm gonna need your help on this one. So this is what it looks like, and I really do like that marbly color, but I don't know if I can really like pull this off that great, or if it's not my style or what. But like, I mean, it's soft and it's comfortable, but like, do I look good in it? Like, will I wear it? I think I wish that this sleeve right here was not attached. So I mean, like, maybe I could cut that off so we can pretend like it's just like sleeveless. And I think I'd actually like it 10 times better if that's what it looked like instead. So that's a thought. Okay, I think if I keep this, I'd honestly cut off these the little sleeve things. I don't love the little sleeve things on this, just because like my arms are always long, and like I feel like this doesn't reach it all the way, and I don't know, it just kind of complicates it. So if the sleeves are gone, I think I would actually like it. Right now I'm just like rambling on to myself because I'm trying to decide if I like it or not. So this one is going to be one that I need y'all's help with. Let me know what you think about this one, and if I should keep it or like if it should go. So yeah, basically this is what it looks like, and I'll do a little close-up so you can see the detailing and the different like colors of the tassels. I also think this would be a pain to wash because your girl don't pay for dry cleaning. She does everything by like the washing machine. So I feel like these tassels might get a little damaged. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Ooh, this is really soft. So this is actually from the Ari side, okay? So it's just like this very simple romper. Okay, I think this is so cute. Maybe with like a bralette or something. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it's just this very like, I don't know, rustic-y color, rustic, brick rust. I don't know what I'm saying, but this is what the color looks like, and it is very soft. And I actually, for this piece, I think this was $15, and I believe this one was $15 too, but I got this one an extra small because they didn't have any other sizes, but a lot of people on their website were saying that this one is oversized, and since I always need the adjustable straps on my favorite, I figured we will see how this goes. Okay, so let me try this one on. I think I'm actually obsessed with this. So this kind of looks like a dress, but it's not, and it's like shorts. I think it's just so comfortable, so cute for summer. These with some like sandals, like I said, maybe the bralette, or you could just do some like really loose jewelry with it. I love. Okay, so I just even like adjusted the straps just a tad bit so it could be even longer. I really like this. I think this is even an option like for people to sleep in. Like I read the reviews and people are like, oh, you can sleep in this also, but I would totally wear this out. I think it is so cute. There are pockets. This is the win-win out of everything, out of the jeans and everything. Like so far, this is winning and I love it. So I'm going to keep it on for the rest of the video. And I got a lot of jewelry, so they had crazy prices on their jewelry. Like things are originally like $15, $20 on sale for $2, so I had to. So this is like a tiered piece of like jewelry. So basically there's like little pendants, and it's a very like golden looking, and this could very easily get tangled, so be careful. But this is what it looks like. This piece right here would look so good with like this top I'm wearing. Okay, I just found an outfit. I'm pretty obsessed. I'm pretty happy. Next thing that I got were some earrings, and I've kind of been obsessed with this look of earrings, which are like the tassels, and they're kind of wonky right now, so definitely need to fix it. And there's definitely pieces of pink things falling off of it, so don't know how I feel about that, just saying. But this is what it looks like. And I just thought they'd be really cute and fun. And these were originally $12.95. Again, got them for about $2. And I don't know, I thought they were just really cute. And I really like American Eagle's jewelry. So when you find something when it is on sale this much, I was like, I had to and I have to. Like, big reason that I even did this whole haul. So, got those. This was originally $15.95. And it is like this golden chain. And at the very bottom of it, it has this triangle tassel piece with like this gold detail. Maybe even with this top or this romper, I don't know. I really like it. Okay, so oh yeah, this was one of the pieces where I was like, I don't know if I love it, and I don't think I really love it. I don't know if I'd pick this up if I was in this store, but it's definitely something just I could wear. But it would just kind of, you know, like hang like that, and it just add a little bit of detail. But I really don't know if I love all the colors because they're like more of a focus, more of like a tannish color, but I really like the pink of it. So this is my item of jewelry. So I got this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got hoop earrings. First of all, American Eagle, why are we using this whole plastic bag? I got hoop earrings and did not realize how big these are. Guys, these look like bangles. I literally was like, did I order bangles? No, these are hoop earrings. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what they look like. Very, very cute, but very, very big. Literally could like fit my wrist in it like I just did. And the ends, they're not like full hoop earrings. I'm trying to show this as best as I can. Okay, they like end. If you can kind of see, they end right up here. And so they just kind of do that. But these are kind of cool and kind of edgy, so kind of into them. I just think they're going to be really, really big. But I mean, like, hey, why not? Are kind of outside my comfort zone, but like totally can make them work. Definitely keeping them. Kind of feel like a bougie bad side wearing these. I don't even know what I'm saying. I like them. Okay. So this is what this looks like, and you can kind of see the two separate pieces. These are so cute. I think these would be great to dress up an outfit. I've been kind of getting into earrings a lot more lately, so maybe I could wear these to work and maybe make them work. We will see. And this was originally $12.95. Got them for $2. And I didn't even say how much the hoops were. Hoops were originally $12.95 and got these for $2. So basically the jewelry itself, I got like a huge deal on that, and the rompers is really cute. So if you guys like this video, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. I will try to leave everything that they still have available in their description bar, so in my description bar, so that way you guys can go check it out. Please let me know what I need to do with that marble-esque looking romper. Should I cut off the sleeves and keep it, or should I just go ahead and, you know, return it and get my money back and spend it somewhere else? So that's basically about it. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon notification button if you want to see me on a weekly basis, because that is what I post every week. So other than that, I will see you guys next week. Bye guys, I love y'all. Mwah.